Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. I have a temu order here and I'm going to share it with you guys. It just came today. First of all, I'd like to thank Stacia Allison. I hope I'm saying your name right. She hit that super thanks below one of my videos and sent me some money to buy myself a tea or a coffee. That's what she said. And I thank you so much. Okay, and thank you to all that have hit that thanks. It really, I appreciate it so much. Okay, let's see what we have here. I also got these scissors from Temu a while back. I showed them, and the link for them is under whatever video that was. I have a playlist on Temu stuff that I've been getting. All right, so this is crafting supplies for junk journals. I'm making vintage junk journal right now. I'm a crocheter. Yes, I'm still crocheting, and that tutorial I'm working on for the cardigan, if all goes right, it'll be out next week. Yay! I'm actually making two cardigans, one with long sleeves, one with short sleeves, and so I have to build them, right? I have to build them. But they're the same design, just with one with long sleeves, one with short sleeves. Okay. All right, let's take a look at what we have. All right, these are retro style, make creative paper craft. The pleasure of your company is requested. It says marriage. Scrapbook and craft journal materials. Okay, let's take a look at what's in here. I don't think I'll be going through all these things with you. Now, are these stickers or are they just... I don't think they're stickers. Okay, I think they're just, you just glue them on. Goodness. It's a heart. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Key. Some kind of metal ribbon. Of course, they're paper, not metal, but okay, there's another key. A lock. Oh, look at that. A little cherub. So I would say is that a mirror or a picture frame? One or taller. Here's another key. Oh, that's part of, look at it, it's all together. Well, help if I was in camera shot. Yeah. It's all one piece. So I guess they're die cuts. That's what they would call them, right? Aha, there's a lock that's open. Ooh. It's a hinge. Yeah, very cool. All right. Look at this big key. Holy moly. I have some actual antique keys in my possession. I have a bunch of them, real ones. Yeah. I thought of putting them into a shadow box or something, but I just haven't done it or haven't figured out, you know, how I want to do it. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let me just dig. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's a flying pig. When pigs fly. Couple, two keys there, key here. Is that an elephant? They look really good. I mean, when I'm looking at them in the camera here, it almost looks like they're real metal. What do you think? They've got some detail. Yeah, there's another big key. I wasn't going to go through them all. But, yeah, so mainly keys and locks. Mostly and mainly together come out as monly. All right, so that's what I got. This was, I'll put the prices on the screen and the links below. I'm not affiliated with Temu. But this is what I was really looking forward to. Leafy wooden seal, grow like summer flowers. That's a nice cardboard box. And these are wooden stamps. I have a bunch of those kind of rubbery stamps, and I really don't like them. Like, they work nice, but I really don't like, you have to stick them on that, I don't know what it is, a glass square thing. You stick them on there, and then you put them in the ink, and sometimes they fall off that square thing, and you gotta dig them out, and you get ink all over your fingers. I mean, it's, yeah. So then I saw somebody had wooden stamps. It was Pam at the Paper Outpost. So well, those look nice. You don't have to, you just, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. You just grab your stamp. You got, it shows there what it is. You just grab it and, dab it in the ink, dab it on your paper or whatever. Now, I've heard you're supposed to do something with these, and I can't remember what it was when they're new. What are you supposed to do with this part? Do you know? So we have flowers. These are supposed to be vintage as well, I believe. Vintage flowers and things. We have those. Oh, look at these little ones. What are these? I can't even see what they are. Oh, I'll turn this way. I guess those are little flowers too. Yeah, okay. Oh. A whole bunch of little flowers. Wow, those are cute. Get a lot in this set. Some more flowers. More flowers. Those are pretty. Okay. Now these are bigger ones. I like them a lot. Yeah. Yeah, they seem like they are wood, and they seem like they're good quality. Yeah, they seem like they're good quality. Why don't we try one right now? Okay. While we're at it, I showed in a video that I bought this B6000 glue from Temu, and when you open it up, it has a pin right in the lid, right there, to prevent it from clogging up. So I thought that was really cool. A little bit goes a long way. It doesn't stick right away. It gives you time to move your piece around on whatever you put it on. Say you put it here and you're like, oh no, I don't want it there. So it gives you a chance to slide it to where you want to. The drying time is kind of slow, and which is okay. And then I found that I would have to hold the piece down before it actually got a little sticky so that it would hold. I'd have to hold it down for maybe, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds, which I don't think is bad at all. And then once it sticks, it sticks. It works really well. I would say this is only for, well, I know it's for paper for sure, because I've tried it. But I don't know about fabric to paper, I'm not sure. Obviously, it's not for metal, because these are two metal parts here, and it doesn't, the pin does not glue inside the metal part. Yeah, and it's a clear glue, and it does have a chemical smell. It doesn't bother me that much, but it is noticeable. Come on, get in there. It's noticeable. Yeah, I think people that are sensitive to smells and stuff. I think it may bother them. Just letting you know. I'll try this one with this. There's 4 different colors. It goes from like a yellow to a kind of an orangey reddish. And I got this from Temu as well. This is something I made, this pocket thing out of a book page. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to try to get all these colors across it. Let's see how it goes. Huh, interesting. Okay, so I'm going to put it on this page right there. That looks good, although I did get the edges. What do you think? That looks good. I probably pushed it too hard into the ink, right? But it looks nice. Look at the different colors I got in it. Oh, so pretty. What do you think? Next week, watch for that cardigan. If all goes well, the tutorial will be out next week. So thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you as soon as I can. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.